yesterday, okay, so we were talking about matter, and I told you to grab 5 different objects yesterday. So yesterday I grabbed my pen, my blue pen, my rod, this bus, our math book, and I had a drink from Jack in the Box. Okay, so we are going to use that information today to continue our learning. So this is your assignment for today you will have on Google Classroom. The first thing I want you to do is write your name. Okay, we always have to write our name, because if not, I'm not going to know who you are. Okay, in the first section, you're going to list your 5 items. So I'm going to say school bus toy, my base 10 rod, my pen, Jack in the Box drink, and last but not least, our math textbook or workbook. Okay, now in the second part of this, I want you to scroll down to the bottom. It says you are going to decide 2 ways you can sort your matter. For example, color and temperature. Okay, then sort your items below in the correct place. Today with my items, I think I'm going to do flexible and non-flexible. So flexible and non-flexible. Okay, so my first item was the school bus toy, and it's flexible. Okay, so I'm going to put that in this column right here. Okay, now my rod. It's not going to break, so this is going to go right here. Okay, then I have my pen. It's not breaking, so that's going to go underneath here. It's not very flexible. My math workbook. It's pretty flexible. I can move it all around. Okay, and my drink. I don't have it with me today, but if I had it, I can smush it, and it's a little bit flexible. Okay, so it's styrofoam, and when it's made out of styrofoam, I can kind of push the sides in, so it's a little bit flexible. So I'm going to put it underneath here. Okay, and then I have them all sorted. This is one characteristic that you can sort them by. So you could do color, temperature, flexible, non-flexible, solid, okay, liquid. And you're going to do this for your items that you picked yesterday.